Good morning, students. After your unit test is over, after a long time we are meeting now. Okay. So we have discussed in last class up to the circulatory system, and then the nervous system of cockroach we have discussed. Now today we are going to discuss about the excretory system. Already we know that excretion, what is the meaning of excretion? Removal of nitrogenous waste is known as excretion. So how the excretory system is present in cockroach, how the cockroach it is releasing the waste material, that we are going to discuss now. Excretory system. So the Malpighian tubules are the main excretory organs of cockroach, which help in eliminating the nitrogenous waste from the body in the form of uric acid. So cockroach, they can release the nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid. So cockroach are known as uricotelic. Okay. So which is the excretory organ? Malpighian tubules. In the digestive system we have seen no, in the diagram of digestive system. This is the Malpighian tubules. So these Malpighian tubules are known as the excretory organ. With the help of this Malpighian tubules, the nitrogenous waste they can eliminate from the cockroach body. Okay, in the form of uric acid. Okay, then in addition, fat body, nephrocytes, cuticles and uricose glands are also excretory in function. Other than that Malpighian tubules, few parts also it is involving to eliminate the waste material, that is known as fat body, nephrocytes, cuticle and uricose gland. It is involving in excretion in function. These Malpighian tubules are thin, long, filamentous, yellow color structure attached at the junction of midgut and hindgut. So it is a large filamentous yellow color structure. Okay, it is present in a large filament. Okay, thin filament like structure. Okay, yellow color in nature. It is present in the midgut and hindgut. This is the midgut, this is the hindgut. In between the midgut and hindgut, this Malpighian tubules are present. Okay, then nearly these are about 100 to 150 in number. So mostly this Malpighian tubules it is present in a 100 to 150. The filament like structure it is present. It is present in the form of a bundle. Nearly 6 to 9 bundles are present. Okay, 6 to 9 bundles are present. Each tubule is lined by glandular and ciliated cells, and the waste is excreted out through the hindgut. So inside this Malpighian tubules it is present in a ciliated cells. Okay, glandular. What is the meaning of gland? They can secrete the hormones. Okay, that is known as the glandular. அப்படியே உருளையாக பார்க்குறதுக்கு தனித்தனியாக தெரியும். ஓகே, அப்போ இங்கே ஒவ்வொரு Malpighian tubuleஸும் அதுக்குள்ளே பார்க்குறப்ப அந்த செல்ஸு ஒவ்வொரு செல்ஸுமே தனித்தனியாக ஓகே இட் இஸ் ப்ரெசன்ட். இட் இஸ் அ சிலியேட்டட் செல். சிலியானால என்னது? மைன்யூட் பாடி அந்த ஒவ்வொரு செல் மேலேயும் இருக்கும். இட் இஸ் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் டு எலிமினேட் எக்ஸ்க்ரீட், அந்த வேஸ்டெல்லாம் அப்படியே மூவ் பண்ணி அது என்ன செய்யுது? வெளியேற்றுது. நம்ம சிலியா வி ஹவ் சீன் இன் parameciumனோ cilia. So like that the ciliated cells are present inside the Malpighian tubules. Okay, that cells they can excrete out the waste material through the hindgut. Then the glandular cells of the Malpighian tubules absorb water, salt and nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph and transfer them into the lumen of the tubules. The glandular cells it is present inside the water Malpighian tubules. It is helpful to absorb the water, salt and nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph. Which one is the hemolymph? That is the body fluid, that is the blood of the cockroach. It is present, it is circulating inside the body of the cockroach. So this Malpighian tubules they can absorb the water, salt and nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph. Then they can transfer into the lumen of the tubules. அந்த tubules என்ன செய்வோம்? இதுதான் அந்த tubules அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். இதுதான் என்னது? lumen of the tubules. இந்த glandular cells also is present. இதுக்குள்ளே செல் இந்த மாதிரி செல்ஸாக ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கும். இந்த செல்ஸ் என்ன செய்யுது, இங்கே ஹீமோ லிம்ஃபில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த சால்ட்டு இது எல்லாத்தையுமே அப்படியே அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி இங்கே இதுதான் என்னது லியூமன், இந்த டியூபுல்ஸுடைய லியூமனுக்கு அது ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, ஸோ த செல்ஸ் ஆஃப் த tubules reabsorb water. Other cells also is present inside the Malpighian tubules. So that cells they can reabsorb the water. Water is essential. Okay, then they can reabsorb some inorganic salt also. By the contractions of the tubules, nitrogenous waste is pushed into the ileum where more water is reabsorbed. அங்கேருந்து என்ன செய்யுது, கைன்கட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஈலியம் பார்ட்டுக்கு வருது. ஸோ த மல்ஃபிஜியன் டியூபியூல்ஸ் they can contract. So during the contraction this waste material they can push it into the lumen. இது அப்படியே எங்கே என்ன செய்யுது, அப்படியே மூவ் பண்ணி இலியம் அப்படியே கைன்கட்டினுடைய ஒரு பார்ட் இலியத்துக்கு வருது. தென் தட் எக்ஸஸ் வாட்டர் ரீஅப்சர்வ் இன் இலியம் ஆல்சோ. ஓகே, தென் it moves into the rectum and almost solid uric acid is excreted along with the facial matter. Then that waste they can from the ileum into the rectum they can move. So rectum is the one of the organ they can store the waste material, that undigested food particles they can store inside the rectum. Okay, then this nitrogenous waste also from the ileum they can enter into the rectum. So there it is making in a semi-solid in condition. Okay, solid uric acid, semi-solid condition. இந்த நைட்ரோஜினியஸ் வேஸ்ட் இந்த நம்ம யூரின் பாஸ் பண்ணுறோம்லையே அதுக்குள்ளே தான் நைட்ரோஜினியஸ் வேஸ்ட் இருக்கும். நம்ம யூரின் பாஸ் பண்ணுறது எப்படி இருக்குது, தண்ணியாக லிக்யூடாக நம்ம பாஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அந்த இதுவும் இந்த டாய்லெட் அது ரெண்டு சேர்ந்தால் எப்படி மாறிடும், செமி சாலிட் கண்டிஷனுக்கு வந்துடும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடிய யூரிக் ஆசிடை தான் என்ன செய்யுது காக்ரோச் they can eliminate along with the facialனா என்னது undigested food material. So along with the facial matter this uric acid they can excrete through the water rectum and then in the anus. Okay, can you understood all of you the excretory system of cockroach? So Malpighian tubules it is present in this Malpighian tubules it is present in between the midgut and then hindgut. Then it is helpful to reabsorb the waste material in the hemolymph they can circulate inside the body. It is for what, open circulatory system. So the hemolymph, that is the blood they can present inside the abdomen. So this tubules also is present. So with the help of the glandular cells they can absorb the what, salt, that nitrogenous waste they can pass into the tubules. Then the tubules some other cells also is present, that cells they can reabsorb the water and some of the salt material. Then the waste they can pass into the ileum that is the part of the hindgut. Then they can pass into the colon into the rectum. Okay, here temporarily it is storing. The undigested waste also they can store temporarily here. So this excretory system, this waste also they can store here. So through this anus they can come outside in the semi-solid condition. Okay, so that urine also they can sent out through the anus along with the facial matter. Okay, but the nitrogenous waste they can eliminate in the form of uric acid. Okay, can you understood all of you the excretory system of cockroach? Okay, thank you.